Welcome back, my friends, to another daily work from home job lead video. Real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about the work from home life. So I'm always searching the internet trying to find the best work from home positions, and I share them with you on a daily basis, normally 2 to 3, sometimes 4 job leads a day. So if you never want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on, and the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box if you want to get those applications in. Today's job lead is from the company Wealthy. Wealthy is a digital care concierge service for families with chronic, complex, or ongoing care needs. They are trying to tackle the logistical aspects of caregiving, and they are hiring a virtual care advisor to assist with different various tasks to support families and individuals and help address their upcoming unique caretaking needs. So this is going to be like a customer service type role. You will collaborate with care coordinators, team leads, and managers by using expertise and know-how to support tasks with Wealthy customers. You'll also support with improving and updating Wealthy's guide and team resources. And you may also do other non-client specific work like feedback or guidance on Wealthy's products, services, guides, contribution to team culture, writing and advising for marketing materials, and different things like that. Now, they do have different teams. One is housing, medical, mental health, in-home support, finance, and veterans. So they have multiple different teams that do different things. They don't require any college degree, just a high school diploma. They want someone who has the ability to work independently and as a team, someone who is proficient with Mac OS systems, G Suite, Slack, and 1Password, someone who has strong ethical standards and respect for client confidentiality, and someone who has knowledge and ability to navigate the healthcare sector. Now, depending on what team you're on will depend on what additional things that you need. If you're on the housing team, you'll need like 1 year experience in prior senior living facilities. The finance team is for people who have past experience in medical billing, coding, insurance, billing claims, all of those types of things. So they really have multiple teams that are great for multiple different experience levels. Now, one thing to note about them, they are hiring throughout the United States, but they do have a few state restrictions. They cannot currently hire in Alaska, Hawaii, Maine, Mississippi, Nevada, New Hampshire, New Mexico, North Dakota, Oklahoma, Rhode Island, Vermont, and West Virginia. But if you are in a state other than those, they do provide computer equipment for you. They pay anywhere from $19 to $22 an hour. They have standard benefit package including medical, dental, vision, 401k, retirement saving, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.